Hey everyone, this is the set of 2 deluxe microwave lids from Miss Anita Craft. 20 at 1 and buy 5 get 1 free. Copy the list. Go live. 425. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 425. And we have a 10. 425. 20 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9th time, we still have 20 items on the list. Miss Kirby Down Millers is on the top. Miss Tamara Boss is on the bottom. Randomized 9 times. The dice call for a 10. 426, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. In spot 3, Miss Megan Johnson is the winner. Congrats, Miss Megan. 20 items on the list. 10 times. The dice call for a 10. Your verified code. And we are done at 426. Thanks, everyone.